We've currently built out about 42,500 square feet. A lot of that square footage is triple tier. We're trying to maximize our cubic feet that we can use for growing these plants. As Brian said, there's a ton of thought that went into how many plants can we fit in these rooms, shifting our loads for HVAC from one room to the other, which we do. And I can't stress enough, all those points he made, all you guys made were really, really valid. And if you go in with eyes wide open, it'll help you out. We've kind of been doing it continuously. And if you have somebody who's already been through all those, like a Brian or yourselves, I think that would definitely help out. This is a little bit of our facility right here. We have the solar assets, which was why I targeted the building, which goes back to site location. I had already had 2 other properties under contract, letters of intent, when I found out about this property. And then we found out it was in the, back then you need to be in the marijuana registered district, RMD zone. And this happened to be one of only 3 locations in the city, the town that I'm in. So we had to change the zoning to industrial, and we had to change a number of bylaws at the same time to get in here. We set a timeline and a budget for if it was possible to do it. We were going to take this building. If it was not, then we'd have to move on. But that's how much we wanted to target this building. It was an afterthought. We had 5,000 amps electricity to the building, or so I thought. That's what was previously there. And then when we moved in as the new tenants, somehow we lost those 5,000 amps. They pulled the transformer, same line was up there, but the line was those amps are no longer available at the street. So I did not target a building for having a lot of natural gas on site. That was just a fortunate coincidence. We had a main gas line out at our curb cut that was feeding a now defunct power plant, and that happened to be right out in front of our property. So that's the truth there. So we were very fortunate in that regard.
The cogen fell in your lap a little bit, would you say?
It was forced on us, I would say.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'd say the solar, we thought we were doing fine with just having solar, and I've designed the building to be as efficient as possible, to the tune of we've already gotten about 1.1 million in rebates back.
Wow.
And we have more to come.